The High Court heard today that Enoch Burke's entire credit balance of just over €40,000 has now been deducted from his bank account, and the receiver has so far collected just over €1,500 from his salary to pay his outstanding fine, set at €79,100, for refusing to obey a court order to stay away from Wilson's Hospital School. Counsel for the Attorney General, Brian Kennedy, asked for his costs in relation to the matter, as did the school, with its counsel Rosemary Mallon reading an updated affidavit from the acting principal, in which he stated that Enoch Burke continues to be present in the school building, causing significant disruption, and while he was hopeful the collection of the fine might cause him to reflect and stop attending, that hasn't yet occurred. He said as there are only 30 days until the summer holidays, they wouldn't do anything now, but if his conduct escalates or continues after the summer, they'll consider taking whatever action necessary, including, with reluctance, applying for him to be recommitted to prison, so they hope he will reflect and conclude his protest. Mr Justice David Nolan asked Enoch Burke a number of times why he shouldn't award costs against him. Mr Burke sought to make submissions about other matters, but the judge said it wasn't a soapbox and that he was behaving like an unruly schoolboy. Martina and Amy Burke then began shouting, so the judge directed that Gardaí remove them from court, along with a member of the public who was also interrupting. Enoch Burke proceeded to talk over Mr Justice Nolan as he made orders for costs in favour of both the school and the Attorney General, with the judge saying that Mr Burke and members of his family had been rude and disruptive and shown complete disregard for the rule of law and for the court. He added that as a teacher he should have been setting an example, but his duties and obligations had gone out the window and his conduct had been disgraceful. The judge reiterated that Enoch Burke's fine is now €1,400 for every day he continues to flout the court order, reminding him that he's free at any time to purge his contempt by giving an undertaking to stay away from the school, saying this should be a matter for himself alone and he shouldn't be subject to any outside influence. Nicole Gernan, Virgin Media News.